Hey guys, today let's learn how to turn off iPhone is too close iOS 17. So if you guys have this issue, or if you want to go and just turn this issue off, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So this is basically this has something to do with our screen distance. So I want you to go ahead and access your settings, go on over to screen time. So once you're already on your screen time, I want you to scroll down until you see the option called screen distance. So over here on screen distance, I want you to go ahead and tap on this and basically just turn this off. And what this is basically going to do is it's going to allow you to not have the prompt already that your iPhone is too close to you, because the screen distance actually monitors your eye strain and the distance of your phone from your face. So this will give you the prompt that your iPhone is too close to you on iOS 17. So if you get annoyed by that, just go and just turn this off and you're good to go. Now, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.